What's poppin'? Appreciate you coming through. Today I just picked up this Maison Margiela Supreme collab zip up. I just went to the store I usually go to whenever I just want to browse for the clothes, and thankfully they had this. So like literally right when I walked in, it was right there. I was like, holy shit. And it's crazy because this one in particular, I bought the white zip up. This is the only one I had available there, but this is the zip up that I personally missed out on the day of the drop. I personally felt this one looked the best, honestly, out of the black and the navy one. The black one's still hard and the navy one was cool, but I think the white one was definitely a lot better. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull this shit out the bag already, but I want to put it on. Here it is. Stand up for y'all. Right here, y'all got the tag. I got it in a medium. It fit perfectly. I'm 5'11", like around 140 pounds, just a reference. The Supreme tag right under the Margiela. The reason I felt this one was the best out of the other ones is because the splatters are actually of colors. I love that it's a mix of yellow, black, white, and green especially, just splattered around. Especially this little accent of green right here. Like, it adds to the presentation, most definitely. Right here is, of course, just got the white box logo. I honestly think this collab was really just such a great idea. It just makes sense and it looks great. For the zipper, it's a YKK, so pretty standard. And then you're met with this cotton. I'll put it on for y'all real quick. I was trying to use as much like natural light as possible, but it's getting a little too dim outside right now. This zip up feels really honestly great. It's definitely a good summer zip up. And here's what it looks like on me. 5'11", around 140 pounds, just for reference. Man, that should look crazy, bro. I think this is definitely worth it, even if because obviously I got this for a little bit of resale value. I got it slightly lower than what you can online, but I still paid resale for it. But right here you got the Margiela numbers embroidered on the wrist. And box logo embroidery on the chest. You got your Supreme tag on the left, as usual. Honestly, like my personal favorite paint splatters is green. This piece is gonna be timeless, and overall the way it just gives way more of a presentation as like a piece than the other ones. And that's exactly why like I'm just pointing out the fact that these different colors just work so well together as like a added aspect of design. Of course, it's the identity of like Margiela. It's a part of the brand's identity. Mixing it with the first Supreme zip up with the box logo is overall a genius idea. And I think this colorway has like an off-white and not fully white. I mean, it truly just makes for the perfect summer piece in my opinion. Definitely let me know how y'all feel about this piece in specific, and yeah, let me know if you fuck with the navy, the black, or this one more. Definitely leave me a like if you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you guys are new. I would definitely appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 4,000 subs, and I'm gonna continue to work for that, you feel me? But thank you so much for watching again, and thank you for your time. And y'all stay safe and continue to follow y'all's goals and shit, bro. For real. I'm finna enjoy the shit out this hoodie. I honestly love it. It's super comfy too. Anyways, y'all be safe, bro.